The union is requesting a new bonus scheme. Recruitment for the new position is being done in-house. The auditor found several problems in the balance sheet. The sales results from the first quarter are not being promising. The new trainee has developed a reputation for being very thorough. The company website provided a live broadcast of the president's speech. In long term, return on the investment in blue chip stocks was phenomenal. Avoiding the high brokerage fee is one advantage to investing through the internet.